Hi all, today is 23rd December 2023. It's evening time. Actually I wanted to show you something which gives me immense pleasure, and for what reason I started, it's actually giving me that result. So I will try to show you today the rich gourd that I was able to produce using this hydroponic system. So far I am having almost 4 or 5 rich gourd plants. So let us see how these plants are actually giving. So if you are able to see, this is one. So we will start counting. This is a count game and we will enjoy it. So 2, 3, if you are able to see this one, 2, 3, this is 4. So this is 4 and 5, 6. Let's go. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, if you are able to see, 13 and 14, 15th, 16th, 17th, and there are 3 more. Let me try to search it. 17, okay, this is 18 and 19th, I believe this is 19th one, and this one is 20th. So, many more are coming as I was unable to do the pollination due to some personal reason, so I missed couple of them. It's very nice when you see the fruits or the one that you actually wanted to have it. So if you are able to see this one, this is how it is, and I will come. So basically these gourds are actually planted in Dutch bucket system, and in future whenever I'm actually going to discuss this one, I will let you know how this system is actually working and how. Okay, I missed this portion, this one I believe. Okay, if you are able to see this one, I missed this one. So we are actually doing these things for ourselves, and if somebody is interested, we also extend our support, help for that person in many forms. We also conduct a training, we also provide support, we also do the setup thing if you wanted to do these things. So whatever number you are able to see in this particular video, you can contact on that number to get more information. And in case if you have any comment, if you have any query, you can post it in this section, in the comment section or discussion section, and we'll try to provide you update or response as soon as it is available to us, and when we are getting time to get a proper response for you. Anyway, thank you for watching this video, and thanks to see my explanation. Bye.